Hi, just making a pizza. So this is the next music video on this very rudimentary as yet YouTube channel. It's of me playing a piece by Caspar Diethelm. Now Caspar Diethelm was my music history teacher in Luzern at the Luzern Conservatorium about 30 years ago, and he was also a composer. He died a few years after I finished my studies there, and I had the privilege of getting to know him and play some of his pieces and work on some of his pieces with him, including this one. Although I didn't actually work on this with him, but he gave it to me himself. So there is that connection there, and it's called Kammer und sein Papagei. It's for solo clarinet. Caspar Diethelm was a very gruff personality, very almost rough in his lessons, and he would say things like, "Was haben Sie gehört?" What did you just hear, when he played us a recording, and we had to figure out what it was that he wanted us to point out, which may not have been the thing that we actually heard or the thing that we would most likely say. So, and he was a very emotional composer, and that shows in his music. I hope you enjoy it.